Customer management has never been easier than it is on the InvoiceASAP dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Customers tab. This will bring you to your customer list, all of the customers that you have in InvoiceASAP. Under the Customer Name column, click on the name of a customer, and this will bring you to the customer record, which is basically all the information about your customer and their business activity with you. This includes all of their contact information, active aging reports on any invoices they have outstanding, links to unpaid invoices and paid invoices, and if you are using estimates for your business, links to the open and approved estimates lists. Additionally, managing multiple job sites and locations is very easy, and you will see on the right that there is a customer notes section. This section displays any internal notes that you or any of your team members have made about that customer account that would be important in handling the relationship with your customer. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.